Hi everyone, we have for today tuples as our topic. So we start with our first question. What is tuples? Tuples is collection of data inside one variable. We use parentheses to make tuples. As you can see from the definitions, tuples and list has almost the same definitions. But tuples is immutable list. So that means you can't change what inside the tuple. Tuples give us as well faster calculations. And we can use tuples as the dictionary's keys. So let's start with the real world examples. So let's start here with our first tuple here. Let's make it A equal to, and here we make two parentheses here. Inside these two parentheses we can make integer, we can make floating point, we can make string, we can make whatever we want. We can make as well like tuple inside a tuple, what is called nested tuple. So we have here another tuple inside the tuple, and here we can make as well nested list. So we can put whatever data type we want inside the tuple here. So let's print this tuple here. Print A. Now we hit run. So we got this tuple here. So we saw in the list that we can change the list element or the character inside the list. So if we choose to do that inside the tuple, let's see what will happen. So here if you do bracket here and you want to change the first element inside the tuple. So we write here A0, that's the first element, and let's change it to from 1, let's make it string 1. Let's make it like that, and now we hit print. So we got here tuple object does not support item assignment. So that means we can't change the item inside the tuple. So it's like immutable. So let's see if we have like two tuples here. Let's make another tuple. This tuple B is equal to, and let's make it very simple, 1, 2, and 3. So let's see here if we have A plus B, what will happen? We hit run, or we got like one big tuple. So let's print here our nested tuple here. Let's see print, and here let's see A. So let's print A3 is like the nested tuple here, and we hit run here. So we got here 1, 2, 3. This is one like the nested tuple, that's what we have. So I can make this video much longer talking about the tricks inside the tuple or how to make the dictionary key from the tuple, but this is why I will make like short video about it. So that was all for this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.